Imagine this. You finally crawl into bed after a long day, hoping for deep, restorative sleep. But while you rest, your body's testosterone factory quietly shuts down and you don't even know why. As a urologist, I see this all the time with men over 50. They wake up sluggish, with less drive, less energy, and no clue that their own nighttime habits are sabotaging them. Tonight, I want you to think about 5 simple mistakes that can make or break your testosterone. The first mistake, sleeping in tight or heavy clothes. Your body needs a cool, comfortable environment to produce hormones properly. Overheating at night can drop your testosterone and hurt your sleep quality. Switching to lighter fabrics or even sleeping naked can make a big difference. Second, keeping electronics by your bed. The blue light from phones and tablets suppresses melatonin, which is essential for deep sleep. And without enough deep sleep, testosterone production suffers. Keep screens out of the bedroom and give your brain time to wind down naturally. Third mistake, late night eating and drinking. Heavy meals, alcohol, or sugar before bed force your body to focus on digestion instead of hormone repair. A simple rule: finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before sleep and limit alcohol close to bedtime. Fourth, ignoring stress before bed. Cortisol, your main stress hormone, fights testosterone. If you go to bed tense, your hormones lose. Try 5 minutes of deep breathing, light stretching, or listening to calming music to signal your body it's safe to rest. And finally, inconsistent sleep schedules. Going to bed and waking up at different times confuses your body's clock. Testosterone is highest in the morning, but only if your circadian rhythm is steady. Aim for a regular bedtime and wake-up time even on weekends. These 5 changes can help restore your energy, improve circulation, and bring back the vitality you thought was gone. The best part? They're simple, free, and completely within your control. Don't let small bedroom mistakes steal your health. If you want more tips to sleep better, boost testosterone, and age strong with confidence, subscribe to Senior Spring today. Your best years can start right now, one night at a time.